Hey guys, this is Salma with WTI, and this is my secret for a great coffee. So this is the Nespresso Cappuccino number 3 milk frother. I personally love this because every time I use it, it makes my coffee feel expensive. Like I'm at this very beautiful and luxurious coffee shop. It is super easy to use. You don't have to be a great barista or nothing like that. You just have to plug it in, put the milk in it, and then push this little button. And voila, you have this amazing creamy foam-like milk. Also, it is very versatile, so you can use it both for hot milk or cold milk. So it is great for iced coffee, hot chocolate, any beverage you like. So if you want to upgrade your coffee or maybe impress your guests next time they come over, this is definitely a must-have in your kitchen. But that's just my point of view.